given to you? Highest gift?
Based on material things or
Don't
what?
suffocate them.
Gift is gift.
Gifts like a guy
Let
have given
the
me
poor
like 500K.
breathe.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Double Grace, the Urgent 2K guy. I'm here with my boss.
Cheesy.
Nice to meet you, Cheesy.
Thank you.
Wow, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow. Can you tell us secret about this your beauty?
Secret what?
About this your beauty.
I don't have any secret though. It's God
Okay, it's God.
all the way.
Okay, Cheesy, can you please tell us what you like most about yourself?
Um, Myself.
Yeah.
I'm a very simple girl.
70 years old man.
I like association with everybody and I laugh too much.
You be mumu.
Okay, you laugh for a living.
Yes, I laugh for a living.
Okay, so Cheesy, do you have a